If you're thinking of visiting Coral Reef Waterworld in Bracknell soon, this vlog will hopefully give you some handy hints before you visit. We're lucky enough to have visited quite a few times because it's just up the road, sometimes paid for by ourselves and sometimes as part of the preview evenings, which is how we've managed to be able to film some of the behind the scenes and areas where you wouldn't normally be able to take a camera. It's also just across the road from the Lookout Discovery Centre, so you could always make a day of it and do both. There's loads of parking available on site. It's free, but you do need to give your car registration when you show your tickets in reception. You walk through this area, it's got loads of goggles and swimsuits, etc. So if you've forgotten anything, you can pick it up. Here you can see Ari at the Zog stall and the Sit Free stall. We get these shoes whenever we go away because they're really good for running around by the pool and on the beach as well. Make sure you check out Coral Reef's website to see what the current prices are. They do family tickets, they do family swim sessions, they do parties, accessible swim. So check it out, see what works out for you and your family. As you walk through into the changing room area, this part here is where you'll come out and dry your hair at the end, but you need to take your outdoor shoes off. You head through, there are loads of changing rooms. Some of them are massive, so the family can go in together. And smaller individual ones, you do need £1 for a locker, so definitely take that with you. I also saw one assisted changing room, and this is a quick video of what that looks like. You can have a quick shower off here before you walk through, and you immediately walk out into what is the baby and toddler area. This part of Coral Reef is an area that our children have loved for years. I mean, they're 8 and 6 now and they still enjoy this part. It's got drop buckets, it's shallow, it's warm, there's little slides, there's a slightly bigger slide that comes off the pirate ship. And if you look up at the back, that's where the splash pad is, which I'll show a little video of later. When our children were smaller, before they could swim unaided for quite a distance, I would always put them in these little swim vests, which I got off Amazon. They do loads of different designs and they're really cheap, but I just found them really handy. Used them on the beach as well. We will talk more about the water slides later on in the vlog, but this pirate ship is one of the two major features alongside the water slides. You've got the pirate ship, which has the slide coming off the side there, and also the guns where you can shoot other people with the water. And there's also a massive volcano, and every sort of 25-30 minutes the volcano alarm sounds. The water will pump out of the volcano, it will spray, and then the pirate ship will also then shoot some water out too. As you come around the other side of the pirate ship, the pool gets much deeper. That's where you do a lot more of the swimming and where the volcano will spray. You also have at the very back the lazy river. You see it in the top right there. It's like a figure of 8 and you have to swim quite hard to get out of it, otherwise you just keep going round and round and round, but that's really good fun. So you can see here that I'm walking through the really shallow bit. It's probably up to my ankles here, and it goes deeper down towards your knees at around this point, and then a little bit further it will get even deeper again until you go around the corner and you're in the deep water. On the left is the steps that take you up to this, which is the splash pad. Splash pad's massive actually. It's got some drop buckets, it's got lots of bits that spray out from the floor and the different characters, and the kids quite enjoy this area. Ari giving it the thumbs up seal of approval, and Leo being a typical boy. Coral Reef have really good water slides, and there's something for all intensity levels as well. I've only been on the most slowest one of them all, but my husband and the kids have been on lots of them. You see the slides all go outside there. You pick up your rubber ring from here. All the information is in one place. I'm going to show you recording that in a second. But what's really good is that all the slides come out in the same place too. So if you're like me and you're waiting at the bottom for them all to come out and you've got lots of different kids with you at the same time, you can be in that one place and see them all. The Cannon is a super duper fast one. You go on that solo rider. Some of the faster ones you have to be aged 8 or above. Most of them, if not all of them, need to be over 1.2 metres. Some of them you have to be 1.2 metres and above, full stop. Some of them you can ride if you're smaller but you have an adult with you. It just depends. You need to read each one, but maybe check this out before you go if you have some smaller kids, because you don't want to be disappointed. This is where they all exit, they come out. I think it's the red one, the Cannon, that has a timer, so you can see how fast you flew down it. Terrifying. Yeah, and then the raft ones where they can go down together. I mean, you can just hear my little girl screaming as she comes to the bottom, but she loves it. They have coloured lights in some of them as well. Some of them flash too, so they have epilepsy warnings just in case anyone is sensitive to that. The lazy river is in a figure of 8. It's not massive. The current isn't too much, although when you want to get out you do need to swim against it a little bit. I have found that if I'm there with 2 kids, because you can take 2 kids when they're under 8 per adult, it can be a little bit trickier to keep hold of both of them because of the current, so I definitely put them in floaties if they're not good swimmers. Once they are good swimmers, it's great fun. We just swim round and round. I mean, Leo just wants to go round and round again and again, so yeah, it's not massive, but it is good fun. So that alarm goes off roughly every 20 minutes and gives you warning that the volcano is about to erupt. So if you want to swim in the water that it shoots out, you can head into this section here in the middle. And if you want to get out of the way of it, you can too, because some people don't want to get wet or want to swim under it. Yeah, that's what it looks like when it shoots out. And it also means that some of the other water chutes can erupt too. So the ones on the pirate ship or the snake, for example, might shoot water. The outside area isn't open very often. It has to be really good weather, and it's quite small, so if you want open air swimming, then you may be better off going to a Lido, etc. But it is nice when it is sunny to go outside and have a little play out there. Coral Reef Waterworld is amazing. There is so much to do, from the slides to the lazy river to the splash pay, etc. It doesn't really matter that the outside area isn't massive. We will generally come to Coral Reef in more of the winter time anyway, when it's a bit rainy. We do come in the summer as well. You can go all weather, but it's generally for us more of a cold weather activity because it's so warm inside there. But yeah, it does have an outside area that occasionally opens. You swim out underneath that bit and then you come out into here, and the kids enjoy jumping in. Talking of jumping in, I think I've spent more time stood in this corner watching the kids jump in than I have in any other part of Coral Reef. They love it. And yes, Leo loves the belly flop, and it looks like it hurt, but it didn't, and he did it again and again and again. Occasionally there'll be a member of staff around taking photos if you want them as a family or individually, and you can buy them at the end, printed and or digital copies. There is an extra charge for that. Coral Reef also has an adult-only spa which has some jacuzzis, hot beds, steam room and sauna, which you might want to also check out. So we're coming towards the end of this vlog. I hope you found it useful and informative. Really hope you enjoy your time at Coral Reef Waterworld. It has so much to offer. They're always offering different sessions and parties and fun nights, theme nights, etc. So just check out the website, check out the prices that work best for you and your group. There's certain off-peak times that can be much cheaper as well, and there's special times for family time or for younger kids. And I will leave you with this video of Ariana, who nearly lost my phone filming one of the slides that she went on. And yeah, if you've enjoyed this video, please give us a like, comment or subscribe. Thank you.